Yay! We finally got near the limo. Look at it. Long, weird, long. Yes, long. Oh, so cool. Cars, yes, cars.
Bunch of them.
Okay, let's go back to the truck now. We took our pictures.
Don't worry.
Oh, yeah. We never really got to see a limo in, like, real life. Like,
Yeah. The cane. Whoa, like a little cane. Look at
That's so cool.
Let's go check out that.
Oh my gosh, look, there's a spoon. A metal spoon. Let's see what's in this
I hope
garbage.
you guys get to see what the ketchup looks like.
Oh yeah, let's go show them. We can't right now. There's a car going in right now.
Hopefully you saw the battery one.
Yeah, hopefully. This guy comes in. Doesn't take that long to go into there. Okay. Is he getting out? Okay. Well, you'll